Hi everyone, welcome back. We're up to day 9, which is foliage. Now I thought that I've got some of these beautiful bits of flower and flower background already here, and of course I have a new tea for the week, and I've got the bag that I bought the tea in, which has got leaves on it, so it felt a bit flowery to me, and I've cut off the top because I want to make a little tuck spot. So what I'm going to do is stick this in. Now I'm sticking the whole back down. I do like the colour, I think it goes quite nicely. I'm going to put it here. Now I still have to do some collaging, I think. But this is one idea, that you've already got a floral background in your collaging. Sticking down that bit. Sticking down this bit. And just going to run a little bit here along the bottom in here. Cut up the side here. I love the little camel with the clothing on the back. This is a very funny tea brand because it's very you walk in, and when I went into the city the other day, I walked in and it was Japanese people, and for all intents and purposes it looked like a Japanese tea shop, and yet it's kind of sold as a French shop, so it was a bit confusing. The camel has nothing to do with this prompt, just have a fun collage moment, and then I'll get the tea and show you. So I like the idea that I'm putting something green in here because it does represent foliage. There's a child with a camel. Just fussy cut these out. Bit of a quandary really, isn't it? It's like there's a camel. There were Japanese people in the shop and they sell it as a French tea brand. So who knows what it is? Who knows? All right, let's put that there. Anyway, it was a gorgeous little tea shop. It was beautifully set out and really nice having all those amazing different teas in there. As far as I know, it's a Melbourne shop. I don't know if it's anywhere else. Probably not worldwide, obviously. I don't know. They might do, maybe they might do some international postage. I have no idea. Anyway, they specialise in oolong tea as well. So here's the address. So today I will make the special one I got that I really thought I loved when I tried it, the pet sit. I feel like I would like to cut this one in a bit closer. So we don't lose too much of that leaf. And I will continue on off camera, filling in the rest of that spot. So I'll show you the teas. So that is day 9, foliage. Where's my calendar? This one's a little hidden away one, this one. It's hard to get. And you know what I'm doing today? Going to see Aquaman with Karen at Werribee. And I've got an appointment in the morning once I've finished doing this. Alright, here we go. We're getting through it. Isn't that fun? Alright, the tea. So, Queen's Muscat Oolong. So I haven't quite opened these yet. So this is a first. Okay, it's in a little pouch. I'm going to cut it and so I can show you the tea. Oh, it smells so sweet. Oh, it's just, oh, I wish you could smell it. There's tiny little bits of muscats, which is muscat grape dried. And the tea is oolong tea, which is a healthy tea. It's like a green tea. I think this one's a mix of some green and black. I'm going to have a quick cup of tea of that before I go to the movies. So there's that. Now, while I was there, I just had to get, this one is Rooibos, which I love Rooibos. It's a low caffeine as well. This one's with mango and citron. So I haven't tried this one, but I'm going to, oh, I wish you could smell it. I'm going to get the smell of it because I bet it's delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, isn't it pretty? Oh, how pretty. Oh, look at these little tiny bits of citrus. Right, so Rooibos is my actual absolute favourite because it's low caffeine and it's healthy. It's healthy. And I got a Rooibos with tea, pear flavour. I'm not going to open that because I feel these might be a little bit similar. So, Rooibos poire, pear. I'm off to make a cup of tea. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye for now.